What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Quel, man.
It's your girl, Lainey.
Hey, man, today we doing, we doing a little mukbang slash Papa John's. Y'all, as y'all can see, bro, I already got my food open, by the way, my bad. Cause I was trying to see, cause we got a new camera, bro. So I want to see how the quality look on the food, but it look okay. It look alright. Not too bad, not too bad. She got Papa John's, y'all can see that. We kind of eat a little bit, be hungry, you know what I'm saying? Be hungry, you know what I'm saying?
I hate a baby.
So, what we got a new camera, y'all. We got the, by the way, so the quality might be looking nice, y'all. We got the Canon M50, bro. So, that's a popular, the YouTuber, what the mostly YouTubers using. But we gonna get right into it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Hit post notification, man. And let me know anything that y'all want me to do, man. Cause 2021 finna get hectic, man. Videos every day, man. Y'all already know I rock, man. Look at my girl right now. You got anything you wanna say?
I know they been wondering where I've been. I ain't been like last, what, 2 to 3 videos?
Yeah. She been sitting down, so.
Just resting, preparing.
Hold on, alright, I gotta. But yeah, we just been chilling. We got a general review coming soon, so make sure y'all be tuned to that. Make sure y'all hit that post notification, man. Hit that like button so y'all can see any content or any videos that we doing, man. Anything, man. But yeah, like I said, we got Domino. She got Papa John's. She got some chicken wings, as y'all can see. Wings. You get that little thumbnail. Alright. Well, I did thumbnail with her stuff. But.
What are we doing?
Yeah, let's redo it. Let's redo it. Alright. But she got wings, pizza. I got breadsticks and also pizza as well. Let me put my breadsticks right here.
Right at the turn salad.
Okay. I also got pizza here. I'm gonna turn it sideways for y'all. Yeah, or I can just break the box. I'm hungry, guys. I ain't gonna lie. She getting started, y'all. She hungry.
I'm hungry.
But yeah, man, we just been chilling, man. We just been chilling. You know what I'm saying? We been chilling, y'all, man.
Trying to enjoy.
You know.
Getting prepared for the new baby.
Gym video coming soon, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm dead sure. Gym video coming soon.
But we've been doing really good, y'all. Man, we've been in our house. It's cold outside, but we've been doing good.
We've been really cool. I got also ice pop. I know this pop decent. Get this anyway. Pizza decent though. I ain't had Domino's in a minute.
The carbonated water. I don't know why, but for some reason now I normally would eat my pizzas with ranch, but now lately I've been eating it with barbecue sauce.
I don't really like Papa John's like that, bro. I really like Domino. I mean, Vegas. Vegas is my favorite pizza. So, if y'all don't know that, really love bagels. Yeah, so. Bagels is the best.
It's the best, man.
I'm hungry, guys. What else we talking about? Yeah, man, we haven't been really, I mean, I know it's been like a whole week, but we just been getting like, you know, just been out going shopping. I got sure you got new cameras.
Taking care of business.
Just taking care of business, that's all. We got very good. It's a lot of bread, a lot of carbs. A lot of carbs.
Yeah, that's another thing we're gonna start doing too after I have the baby. Is going back eating like healthier.
Yeah, but that's all I'm playing, y'all. I'm back getting back in shape. I know, like my brother, shout out to my brother. Lil Morris, that's my little brother. A lot of people say I be getting big, y'all. I actually I'll do all for myself, but I'm gonna get back in shape, y'all. You know.
I told him, to me it don't look like he's not getting big. Like if anybody look like they getting bigger, it's me.
That's how I feel. Which ones? Oh yeah, I just know. Let me know what's y'all favorite food.
I ain't gonna lie, Papa John's wings be so good.
You love Papa John's wings, y'all.
They wings, yes. They buffalo wings and they barbecue wings.
I mess with the garlic.
Try the ranch.
We moving soon, y'all, by the way, too. So we just getting some stuff situated.
We have to talk to the lady on Monday.
Yeah, so
just finished getting like a couple more documentations and get ready to move.
What you want?
You wanna try the other one? The dipping, the garlic dipping,
What?
the garlic dipping sauce they gave me?
I'm good. I'm okay.
You want the barbecue sauce?
You said?
You wanna try barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce? No, I'm okay. Nah, man. Barbecue don't garbage. No.
Oh, you trying to use it for the garlic? I thought you were using it for the pizza.
No, man. Pizza, right?
I know y'all have the baby in the background.
Yeah.
Everybody else is asleep but him. And oh yeah, he also had a birthday too.
My son.
Yeah, my Sean and Faith.
Yeah, Faith for my son. He had a birthday. Not too long ago. Okay.
But he's still not walking.
We trying to get him to walk so bad. He just don't want to walk. You know what I mean?
He'll stand up and stand up, but he don't want to move.
He just don't want to walk. Now he's trying to get a pizza to his brother.
And his brother's lit.
Yeah, want this pizza? Then he picked all over it.
He bit everything off of it. Like all the toppings. It's just bread.
Damn. That's on the finger pop. Popping bad for you.
That's not strawberry. That's sparkling water. It's just the acid. Y'all, I'm so ready. Well, we both ready for the baby to come.
Yeah.
I'm so tired of being pregnant.
Hold on, my bad, y'all. Keep talking, man.
I'm so tired of being pregnant.
Yeah, she gonna be due. Maybe probably at the end of February. We don't know because she really scheduled. So
I really don't know when I'm supposed to be. My doctor wants to wait until I'm 39 weeks to go in and have the baby. Yeah. But I don't know. I don't really make it to 39 weeks. Like my water ends up breaking or having contractions at 37 weeks. I mean, not 37, 38 weeks and 2 days. Excuse me. So I really don't know what's gonna end up happening, but I'm just ready.
But I mean, she gonna be alright, y'all. I mean, like all you can do is just pray about it. You know, I'm trying to put on some, you know, song, listen, you know, songs like that. But you know what I'm saying? All like I tell her, just pray. You good, bro? All you can do is just pray. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be alright. I'm gonna be with her. We also go vlog that day as well.
I'm gonna take y'all along the whole day and just show y'all
what's going on. You know what happened. You know in the C-section. All y'all gonna get all footage. All that. A lot of footage.
I don't want it. It's yours. He trying to give me the pizza back. Eat it.
But yeah, anything else you want to say about?
I am hungry.
I'm hungry too, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We ain't eat all day. I think the only thing we did eat, what did we eat?
Oh yeah, because we went out earlier. You bought the, you ate the gyro. I mean, not gyro.
No, I had an Italian beef.
Yeah, Italian beef. And then I had a Subway sandwich, but
I had an Italian beef. She had a Subway. Full on.
My Subway was great. After I ate the Subway, I went to sleep. And I was sick for how long?
Oh, you talking about in the house?
Yeah.
I think you like for like an hour or two.
I felt like I was asleep for a long time.
Like an hour or two. I ain't gonna sleep. I got my camera, bro. I was trying to, you know, hook up my camera. You know what I'm saying? Good quality. Trying to fix it up. Fix the silence and everything.
I was tired. I got in the bed, laid down, and I ended up going to sleep.
Right now, we wasn't good. We chillin'.
Relaxing.
I'm gonna try to get y'all videos every day. Pranks, you know what I'm saying? Definitely coming out.
Y'all, I don't even trust going to sleep right now.
Pranks on. Pranks on. I ain't gonna lie. What you talking about?
Cause I already know. I know my baby. He will wait until you go to sleep. Wait till you least expect it and do a prank on you.
Hey, all you gotta do is come back hard, you know? Come back hard, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I still love you. Still my baby.
But still being pranked at it, like you just freshly woke up. You be like, oh, I just had a good nap. And you just like, you waking up. And now you know you don't even know it's a prank going on. You'll get mad as ever. Like I just literally woke up out my sleep and you want to prank me. He over there banging.
That feels good, my son. Good.
I can't even sit so close to the table. I gotta turn. Like
You scoot the table up?
Nah.
You okay?
Yeah, that's why I just scooted down so I'm freaking back.
I'm getting it for y'all. I got garlic bread on top of bread.
And he got
And I
some
got pop.
wings.
Sparkling water. Mom, if you watching this video, I know your favorite. If you watching this video, Mom, I know your favorite. Your sparkling ice water. Ice. Sparkling ice. It's black cherry. Black cherry, yes.
I think we got that one in now.
It's black cherry. That's your favorite one.
I think we bought that one too.
It keep getting on you. Yeah, that's your favorite one. Hold on, y'all. Oh, alright. That's your favorite one, Mom. Black cherry.
I ain't never had the black cherry. I think we got that in there too. I'm gonna have to try that one later.
Yeah, black cherry decent. I'll try it. This garlic bread decent, y'all.
Good.
Yeah,
I'm pretty almost like this wing.
I'm gonna eat a piece of this. Y'all got 4, y'all. I'm hood. Boy.
Well, really lately, all we've been doing is like what, watching movies.
Watching movies.
Just enjoying the little small time we got left before having another baby.
Yeah. When you have a baby, it's over. It's all about
The baby.
the baby. Cool.
My buffalo sauce just hit that.
You put barbecue sauce on the wings or the pizza?
Now I was just dipping my pizza in it, but I just put my pizza in the wrap they put the wings in. It's like covered with buffalo sauce.
You like it? Why did I rip my box up? I don't know why I did that. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, what was that?
Probably fold that box back up.
You gonna fold that one back up
Yeah, I'll probably put it in there.
and stack the pizzas on them.
I'll probably put it in there. Like, I need like 1, 2, 2.5, and 3 garlic breads.
You ate 2.5?
Yeah, and I think 2 garlic breads. Yeah, 2 garlic breads. 2 garlic breads and a half.
Mine's was cut off in squares, so I probably had 2, 1 too many. But y'all, the weather here is so bad.
Yeah, the weather in Chicago is bad, y'all. It's cold. Cold as heck. Now we I think like yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we was going to pick up the camera yesterday, but we thought we was gonna make it. We thought. What? Son, can I talk? Can I talk, bro?
He trying to tell his side of the story.
We thought that we was gonna. We was afraid that we wasn't gonna make it on time. So we got the camera from Best Buy, but we made it on time. It was like 6:30 at night, and then we made it on time. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
the first bus it was like 6:30. What?
Yeah, first, but yeah, like it was like 6:30. And then, you know what I'm saying? After we made it on time, we actually. Well, once we got the camera, we didn't have enough money. The camera
overtaxed.
Yes, Best Buy. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Best Buy taxes is $50. Basically $69. The camera was $650 by itself.
And then a tripod was like what, 25? 25 or 30, one or two.
The tripod was like $29.99, $30.
And they really overtaxed for it, like everything. I don't know if it was because, but did you realize it was kind of like the same price again today?
It was the same price, yeah. So dude wasn't.
Nah, because at first we thought dude was like the guy was trying to put just extra stuff on there because it was closing time.
Yeah, but it was actually priced. I'm not never shopping at Best Buy. I'm letting y'all know, don't never shop at Best Buy because they go overpriced. They jipping people. Best Buy charge taxes.
No, I think taxes went up again. It's a new year. I think taxes.
But taxes is $60, $69. Taxes, I see with taxes like $5 and they go up like $10. $69, nigga. You could buy what, $69? You could buy a jacket, a pair of pants, bruh. Some socks, bruh. Come on, man. You can buy a whole outfit with that if you want to. Get an outfit from what? Payless, bruh? Or an outfit. Where you can get an outfit from? Come on. A $50, $69 outfit, you get that from Ross, Walmart. You get a $69 outfit from Walmart, Target, bruh. Come on, man. Y'all taxing too much, man.
No, actually, you could go to DTLR and buy a pair of pants. If you need pants or something.
And a shirt. $10 shirt. $15 shirt. You got that's that really pissed me off yesterday.
Then, because we were trying to wait for the second bus. Then we walked up there. And it was like a what? Nearly like a 10-minute walk? Not even 10. And it was so icy out.
We plan on moving though. Once we get our money stacked up, I'm planning on moving.
Out of state.
Out of state. Let me know any like the best state to move to. Like, let me know what's the best state. Cause I'm tired of Chicago, bro. I never been to Chicago. I never been out of state a day of my life. So let us know.
That's another thing we want to do too, is travel around and like see different stuff. Cause I only been to like what, 2 different states? Yeah, Chicago and Texas, where I was originally born from there, so.
Yeah, she's born in Texas. She was born.
So I know a little bit still about Texas, but I might have drink some water. It's time for you to go to bed. Everybody else sleep but you, Sandy.
I should never read my box, y'all, but it's alright. I'm gonna put the lid back.
That's what I'm saying. You can either put that over the top. Yeah, put that over the top of the lid and put your lid on top of it. Double secure it.
Okay. Like that? Okay. Just like that. Yeah, put my lid.
And if you need to, you can take it down too.
I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. But it's okay.
We made it away.
There you go. I think I got it, y'all. Yeah, I got it. Locked and secure.
You know everybody want to go to bed now, right?
Yeah, right.
It's not playtime. I I done got sleepy again.
I got sleepy too. I'm probably finna watch a movie. And
that movie gonna end up watching us, though.
okay, yo. Cause it's 11:36 right now, as y'all can see. 11:36.
You guys gotta focus.
Y'all see that? Oh, hold on. 11:36. Y'all see?
No, it's not focusing on it.
Y'all might just, it's probably right now. Yeah, no. I gotta click on it for the focus, but yeah. 11:36 at night. Y'all get the point.
Were you finna pull up a movie on the TV, or you gonna watch it off the laptop?
You gonna watch it on TV or on the laptop? I'm not even gonna watch it. I'm probably just lay down and probably watch a little YouTube on my phone. Okay. But oh, you
you just kidding. I gotta sit up a little bit though. I can't lay down right away. Cause I'm dealing with the indigestion.
Oh yeah, she needs water. She don't be telling her to drink more water.
I do
Still
drink
pop.
water. That's not even pop, that's carbonated water.
But you need juice. I mean, you need water.
And I do drink water. I had to drink a whole thing of water earlier, and then I'm gonna turn
If your
around.
heartburn, you need more. If it ain't cooling down.
No, that's because she got the baby got the feet all around my heart.
Let me know, can a baby how they feel in their heart, please?
You want to look it up real quick?
Let me know, bro.
Like any female that ever been pregnant knows that feeling of heartburn, indigestion, all that. And then another thing too, I'm really not supposed to be laying like flat down at night. I'm supposed to be sitting like kind of propped up. That's why I was like, we need to get some more pillows. That's why I've been using so much pillows.
I feel like drink more water. Water is good for you. It's really good for me too. But I'll still drink this either way. I don't know.
Even though this is really considered like, this is like carbonated. It's 0 sugar. It's like 1% of juice in there. So it's really kind of like water, just a little flavor. Basically, that's all it is, flavor of water.
With carbon. But man, guess that wraps it up for the video. Probably like 26-minute video. It's almost, it's finna hit 27. But man, that wraps it up. It's your boy Quel, man.
It's your girl, lady.
And man, we just gave y'all good little Papa John's and Domino MUKBANG, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Hit that post notification, man. Let me know anything that y'all want me to do, man. Anything, man. And and let us know any pranks, anything, man. Just anything, and we will give it to y'all, man. Giveaways, all that coming soon, real soon. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
Coming soon.
Make sure y'all turn on post notifications so y'all can see any video that we post. Anything, man. So you click that button, we drop a video. What it gonna say at the end? What it gonna say on notification? Like this. It gonna say the Quel Family. So y'all already know, man. But hold on. Let me hold on. But I guess